Hello everyone, we're doing another Tech Talk. Today I'm with Francesco Cimino, who is responsible for all the hybrid systems globally. Can you tell me what we have here? We have two cars here, Avenger and Alpha, but they're very unique cars.
Yes.
Because they're all-wheel drive. So tell me a little bit more about those systems.
They start from a baseline that is an hybrid, the MHEV hybrid, the front-wheel drive based on our EDCT. And we have added on these two vehicles an electrified rear axle in a way that we can ensure the all-wheel drive functionality permanent at low speed or on demand at high speed. So giving, especially for Jeep, but also for Alfa Romeo, this unique ability that is not so easy to find in this segment.
How's this system different from the previous all-wheel drive systems you've built? I mean, it's super smart system.
We do not have mechanical connection, so it's an electrified rear axle. We are using the 48-volt electrical architecture, but we are able to generate a torque at the rear wheels up to 1900 Newton meters.
Wow.
That is an excellent value for ensuring real all-wheel drive, let's say, performance. Well, an interesting point is that a byproduct that for integrating this system, we needed to have a different rear suspension respect to the front-wheel drive. So we have a multi-link, and this adds other handling abilities that the front-wheel drive version only does not have. So this is a byproduct.
So it gives you additional benefit.
Additional benefit in terms of performance, in terms of handling. Yes.
So tell me about the fuel efficiency. Compares between the two cars.
The fuel efficiency is when you add an all-wheel drive, typically you have a degradation of the fuel efficiency. Being electrical, having a synchronous motor, and having a disconnecting clutch, we are able to ensure both performances, but in the same time, when it's not needed, we disconnect, so everything is passive and we do not generate issues.
Very good. And tell me about the vehicle behavior. You know, I'm obviously very familiar with all-wheel drive systems, but this being very different, if I drive it on a snow or...
There are specific calibration according to the modes. And what we have is on Jeep is part of the usual driving mode, that you have snow that is different from sand and mud, or that is different from the sport.
So I'm actually quite excited. You know, driving one car, I really liked it. So I'm confident the customers will like it as well. And so, but thank you, Francesco, for ensuring, giving the customers something that's quite unique from a Stellantis brand, from a Jeep and Alfa Romeo, and being so precise and so detailed with the type of a system that you built for the customers.
Thank you, and thank you to the whole team that made this
of course, it's all
possible.
about the team.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.